Hello everyone, welcome to online class. My dear students, in this video we are going to see from our workbook question and answer, and that is from the unit 3, and we will take the lesson here today. Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. Okay, in our workbook we are going to see the question and answer. Based on the lesson, Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. My dear students, this lesson we have already understood in two different videos that Robinson Crusoe was, because his ship was destroyed by the sea water, he had to live in an island for a long time without any friends or any companion. So he was looking for friends, and one day as he was wandering in the beach, he found a footprint, and that footprint was belonging to someone else. And as he found the footprint, he tried to look here and there. Whose is that footprint? And he tried to hear, but he did not see anyone and did not hear anyone's voice, so he became frightened. And he went back to his home and he stayed that night so frightened and thinking about the savages. And finally we see that he was praying to God for the safety, and he became little courageous, bolder he became, and next day he came out from his cage. Okay, from his cave, his house in an island, and tried to measure the footprint, and then he thought that it was not his footprint, and finally he came to conclude that the island was already inhabited by some people, or people were living in an island before he came to island. That is what he thought at the end. Yes or no? So that is we have seen. So my dear students, here in the workbook question answer, we are going to see the question number 1. Write one word for each of the following. Okay, this is what the phrases are given, and this is what the meaning of the words, and we have to write the meaning, the word whose meaning is given here. Okay, the phrases are given here. So let us see, start with number 1. Occupied or dwelt in. Okay, occupied or dwelt in. Finally, Robinson Crusoe thought that the island was inhabited. Yes or no? Inhabited word हमने हमारे लेसन के लास्ट सेंटेंस में आपने देखा था, और वही inhabited का मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है? Occupied or dwelt in. That is what inhabited. Then second, more confident. As he was praying that night, when he saw the footprint and he was afraid, praying for safety, then he became little more confident. He became bolder. Okay, he became courageous. He became bolder and courageous when he was praying to God. And that is what more confident means, bolder. These meanings we have seen in our textbook already, so it is easier for us. And next, go from place to place without a definite route. To go from place to place without a definite route. ओके, यहाँ वहां घूमना कोई डेफिनेट रूट नहीं होगा, सिर्फ हम यहाँ वहां घूमेंगे. उसका मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? Wander. ओके, wander. Who was wandering here? Who wandered here? Robinson Crusoe wandered in the beach. Okay, wander. Large continuous extent of land. Large continuous extent of land. That is what? Mainland. Okay, mainland. Who came from the mainland that the Robinson Crusoe was thinking? Savages. Okay, savages. Then, wild people in primitive state. Wild people in primitive states. The people, they are wild and very dangerous people. Those who are living in a primitive area or in a rural area, they are all savages. Okay, they are all called savages. Okay, so here we have completed the question number 1, and let us see question number 2 here. What does it say? This is what we have already done in our textbook, rearranging the words and making a meaningful sentence. Okay, words are given here and there, words are jumbled here and there, and we have to rearrange the words to make a meaningful sentence. That is what we are going to do here also, as we have done already in our textbook. The words in the sentences are jumbled. Write them in order. Okay, so let us see number 1. Could not, there, I, imagine, how can it. How we can write this one? If we arrange these words which are given here, we can write this way. I could not imagine how it came there. What does it mean? यहाँ पे किसको रेफर किया गया है? फुटप्रिंट को रेफर किया गया है. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो को पता ही नहीं चला कि ये फुटप्रिंट कहाँ से आया, क्योंकि उसको कोई भी आदमी दिखाई नहीं दिया, किसी का आवाज भी सुनाई नहीं दिया, तो वो कंफ्यूज हो गया. उसके बाद confused became, but he more and how you can write this one? But he became more and more confused. Okay, but he became more and more confused. When he became more and more confused, when he was thinking about the savages and about the footprint that he had seen, and in that night he is thinking about that. And as he is thinking more and more, he is becoming more confused and afraid. Number C. Did not night I that sleep. Did not night I that sleep. What does it mean? How we can write it in a good sentence? I did not sleep that night. Which night? On the day he saw the footprint, and at that night he could not sleep. He just kept on thinking about the savages, and he was very frightened. Then decided I footmark on with to measure my it. Okay, how it is? I decided to measure my own footmark with it. With what? With what? With the footprint that he had seen in the beach. उसके साथ अपना फुटमार्क को या फिर अपना फुटप्रिंट को मेजर करने के लिए वो डिसाइड किया, फैसला किया. नेक्स्ट, fearful for I lay days many. Okay, then here what it says? I lay fearful for many days. I lay fearful for many days, about thinking about the footprint that was found in the beach. Okay, the next question. Match the sentences in the both columns by using or, and, so, but, and because. Rewrite them correctly. So now these are the words. These are called conjunctions, and these conjunctions are used to join two different sentences or two different phrases or two different words. ये सारी चीज को क्या बोला जाता है? कंजक्शंस बोले जाते हैं. ओके, हमने ऑलरेडी टेक्स्ट बुक में देखा है. तो यहाँ पे हमको कलम ए एंड कलम बी दिया हुआ है, तो यही कंजक्शंस को लेकर हम ये दोनों सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं. ओके, देखते हैं कैसे करेंगे इसको. I failed in my test. So here which one will come? Because I didn't study. Because I didn't study. I failed in my test because I did not study. Okay, that is what here we have written. I failed in my test because I did not study. मैंने study नहीं किया, इसलिए मैंने टेस्ट एग्जाम में फेल हो गया. Okay, नंबर बी में देखते हैं. Nisha was late. What will come here? She ran to school. So she ran to school. Nisha was late. So she ran to school. वो लेट हो रही थी, इसलिए वो क्या की? दौड़ कर गए स्कूल. Okay. So here we have written like this. Nisha was late. So she ran to school. Okay. Then next. Bill wanted to see the film. Okay, Bill wanted to see the film. Okay, so we will take the conjunction so. Bill wanted to see the film, so he went to the theater. So he went to the theater because he wanted to see the film in the theater. So he has to go to the theater and watch the movie, watch the film. So that is what Bill wanted to see the film. So he went to the theater. Okay, so he went to the theater. Then next one. I will sing and dance at the party. Okay, I will sing, कंजक्शन लेंगे and, उसके बाद dance at the party. हम ये जो I will को रिपीट नहीं करेंगे यहाँ पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी I will है, इसलिए हम उसको यहाँ पे रिपीट नहीं करेंगे और डायरेक्टली हम कंजक्शन को लेकर डांस एट द पार्टी लिख देंगे. आई विल सिंग एंड डांस एट द पार्टी. ओके, आई विल सिंग एंड डांस एट द पार्टी. इज इट ओके? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? हम कोई भी वर्ड्स अगर दो बार लिखने पड़ेंगे तो हम उसको रिपीट नहीं करने वाले, कंजक्शन को लेकर जब हम सेंटेंस बनाएंगे तब. ओके, they have eaten their food. They have eaten their food. Then what will happen? Okay, and they have drunk their milk. अभी यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? ये दे को हम फिर से रिपीट नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे फिर से रिपीट हो रहा है, तो हम उसका अवॉइड करेंगे और डायरेक्टली एंड लगाकर दोनों को चेंज करेंगे, जैसे कि यहाँ पे किया गया है. They have eaten their food and drunk their milk. Okay. They have eaten their food and drunk their milk. Are you understanding? Repeated words को हम repeat नहीं कर रहे, repeated words को हम cut कर रहे हैं. Okay? उसके बाद we went to Agra. We went to Agra. What will happen? But did not see the Taj. We went to Agra but did not see the Taj. हम आगरा गए लेकिन ताजमहल नहीं देख पाए. So here it is like this. We went to Agra but didn't see the Taj. Okay. So let us see next question here. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the word box. यहाँ पे क्या है, ब्लैंक्स दिए हुए हैं और यहाँ पे हमारा वर्ड बॉक्स दिया हुआ है. ओके, यहाँ पे हमारा वर्ड बॉक्स दिया हुआ है, तो यही वर्ड बॉक्स से हम वर्ड्स लेकर यहाँ पे फिल इन करेंगे. ओके, देखो यहाँ पे ग्रास है, एलिफेंट है, ओशियन है, स्नेल है, डे है. ओके, तो इसी को हम यहाँ पे लेकर फिल इन करेंगे. आपके लिए किया गया है पहले, लेकिन आप कोशिश करो आपके वर्कबुक में इसको बिना देखकर ये सबको फिल इन करने के लिए कोशिश करना है. ओके, तो देखो as deep as and what will come? Deep मतलब गहरा. क्या गहरा रहता है यहाँ पे? ग्रास, एलिफेंट, ओशियन, स्नेल, डे. क्या होगा यहाँ पे? ओशियन. ओके, as deep as ocean. Then next, as green as and green क्या रहता है यहाँ पे इनमें से? Yes, grass. So as green as and grass. यहाँ पे and नहीं लगाएंगे हम. As green as and को यहाँ पे हटाएंगे, यहाँ पे ये and का जरूरत नहीं. Okay, but it is given for you, but we can avoid that and. Okay, as green as grass. Okay, then C, as slow as a, as slow as a. यहाँ पे देखो कौन सा चीज बहुत स्लो होता है? Snail. So here we have written as slow as a snail. Okay, then D, as bright as a. As bright as a. क्या है यहाँ पे? bright कब दिखाई देता है हमको? डे टाइम में. ओके, as bright as a day. As bright as a day. Then as big as an. As big as an elephant. Okay, as big as an elephant, and the picture of the elephant is also given here in our workbook. Okay, so my dear students, here we have seen question number 1 to question number 4. Okay, so what you will do is that you will write this one in your workbook with a good handwriting. Okay, बहुत अच्छी तरह से अच्छे हैंडराइटिंग में ये सारे को अपना वर्कबुक में अच्छी तरह से लिखना है. उसके बाद आपको ये होमवर्क मेरे पास फॉरवर्ड करना है. Okay, and you just try to learn these words meaning as I have told you in previous videos. Okay, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया वर्ड मीनिंग आपको लर्न करना चाहिए, तो बहुत अच्छे रहते हैं. Okay, so my dear students, here we have seen question number 1 to 4, and in the next video we will continue with the question number 5 from our workbook based on Robinson Crusoe discovered a footprint. Okay.